Hey guys, it's Anna, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a chest stand. So I know I've already done a chest stand tutorial in the past, but something happened to that video, making it no longer appear in any of YouTube's search results. So that's why I wanted to make this new and hopefully improved chest stand tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you should do before attempting a chest stand is stretch out your back. A great way to do this is by following along to either my beginner and intermediate or advanced back stretching routine, which I'll have linked down in the description box. Once you're all stretched out, lay on your stomach and practice lifting up your legs. Doing this will help you get enough strength to lift your legs up into the chest stand. I recommend doing at least 10 on each leg, as well as 10 lifting up both legs. Next, practice rolling from your knees onto your chest. When doing this, focus mainly on rolling onto your chest instead of your chin so you don't hit your chin hard on the ground. The first few times, you could also try rolling onto a pillow to prevent hitting your chin. Once you have the hang of rolling down onto your chest, try going into the chin stand starting with your legs on a wall. Placing your legs on the wall will make it a bit easier to get into your chin stand as you won't have as far to kick up. Finally, roll onto your chest and try lifting your legs up into the position that we did off of the wall. If you have good back flexibility, but just not enough strength to kick your legs up into the chin stand, then another way you can try doing it is starting in a bridge and then going onto your chin that way. During the chest stand, your hands should be behind you facing palms down. Then you can use them to grip onto the ground, which will help you hold the chest stand longer. Also make sure that your weight's on your chest so there's not a lot of pressure on your neck and chin. If there is a lot of pressure on your chin, try placing your hands underneath of it. However, this might make it a bit harder to balance since you can't use your hands to grip onto the ground. Something you should not do is rest on the side of your head during the chin stand, as you can easily hurt your neck doing that. Finally, after practicing a basic chin stand, you can start doing different variations of chin stands. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you get your chest stand. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you're notified whenever I upload any new videos.